It's too sunny. What's up, YouTube? Today we're working on the E30. Let's go. Let's open it up. Now, what's wrong with the E30? That one goes down and up. Try this. Doesn't work. So, ooh, hard to find. So, basically, we'll take this one off. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Now that I've removed those bits, let's see if it actually works. So I'll unplug this and connect this one because I haven't tested it. So yeah, let's see. Okay, now that I've connected it, should have power going. Ooh, okay. Nice. Okay, now next problem is taking this one off. So I haven't tried that. Wish me luck. Let's go. Okay, I think it's gonna be a problem. It's a tight space to get the old one out and to get the new one back in. But basically I need to unscrew those bolts that clamps the window. And yeah, okay. I'll see if I can figure it out. Let's go.
1 hour later.
Fuck, took me an hour, but found a way. So this one's working now. This one's working now. What do you call it? Motor or regulator. I took it from the working one, but I got the wrong part. The guy gave me the passenger side S thingy, which is hard to remove. I was like, oh fuck, I'm too lazy to remove that. So let me try and swap this motor with the non-working one. And then I turned it on. Wind it down. Ooh. Before I wasn't working with that one, but now it's working. So let's put it back. Alright, got the bolts back on. Moment of truth. Turn that on. And oh my god. Holy shit. Oh. Alright, I think that's good. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's put this piece back in there. Alright, let's go. Okay. Alright, let's retest. Is good enough. Oh, a little jerk going down. I think it's the mounting, but yeah. What's up? It's like 3 days or 4 days after I installed, well, I fixed my window. Now I'm going for a POV ride. Well, I'm meeting my dad and my little brother in a dog park. But the road going there is nice, so may as well do a POV ride. So yeah. Let's go. It's finally, you know, it's really good to have your windows down, especially when your AC is not working, right? So fresh air all the way. Hopefully the wind is not bad when I'm recording POV. Here you go. Let's go. So hopefully there's not much cars going here. Oh, there's cars. So bad. Everyone's out because it's a Sunday. Oh, let's go. First back road run of this E30. Be flying through this. Woo, that's nice. That's really nice. It's not as good as the Subi, but you enjoy it because there's no power. Like literally no power. Oh, I think those are the boys. Which is fun. This is so fun to drive. Sir just cleaned it too. Nice.
Ayaw magano ni Hermie family go, putik.
Hermes.
Naligo na sila. Ang dami. Ayun,
He went in the pond, but he didn't go in the...
Hermes.
Galing na niyan.
Hermes.
Na ano na namin.
Come on. There he is, guys. Jimmy's all the way.
Ba't umuwi na? Pabalik-balik na siya eh.
Oh.
Yan, mag-ano siya. Naglilinis. Yan, dahil ka ng review.
Alright boys, part two. I had to grab my ice cream. Here it is, my favorite one. Before going home and hit this Twisties. my favorite ice cream. Fuck, it's already melted. I can feel it. It's not solid. But yeah, spent half of my day at the dog park. Now we're doing twisties. Oh God. Anyway, I think that's all you're gonna see. So tune into the next episode of the Beamer. What's the next episode? I think I should introduce this car better. What's the engine, year, model, yada yada da, you know, all the shebang. I think that's a good idea. So episode 2 will be what's in the car, what's in the box. All right. Okay, guys. We'll see you next time. Peace.